Tired of struggling with your DIY projects or construction work because of not having the right tools? Look no further, because in this video, you will see 10 hardware tools that will make your work easier and more efficient. From foam board stapler to Menmo grip, these tools are essential for any DIY enthusiast or professional contractor. So grab a notepad and pen, and let's dive into these 10 hardware tools that will help your work. So let's get started. But before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. 1. Extensor Pack More. Extensor Pack More is a versatile and innovative packing tool that is designed to simplify and streamline the packing process. This product is perfect for anyone who frequently travels, moves houses, or simply wants to keep their belongings organized. The Extensor Pack More allows users to pack more items in less space, thanks to its unique design that allows it to compress clothes and other soft items, while also providing the additional organization with its compartments and pockets. With the Extensor Pack More, you can say goodbye to messy and cluttered suitcases and hello to stress-free packing. This product is durable, lightweight, and easy to use, making it the perfect addition to any traveler's toolkit. Whether you're packing for a weekend getaway or a long-term move, the Extensor Pack More is sure to make your life easier and your packing more efficiently. 2. Gadget Demo Bar. The Gadget Bar is a superior demolition tool with a unique design that allows users to maintain an almost vertical stance while demolishing. This means less strain on your back and a faster, more effective demolition process. This 1.5 meters pry bar has an additional weight, which provides great momentum when removing hardwood flooring. It has been manufactured using high-quality materials, strong enough to handle even the toughest demolition jobs. The nail puller at the back of the head allows you to easily remove nails while you go, without the need for bending over. The demo bar straddles the stud, joist, beam, making the fulcrum point used for prying a stable position. The head has spear-shaped points to get under hardwood and also works well for piercing drywall. The wheels on this Gadget Demo Bar allow you to roll the bar easily across the floor, which means it can even double as a hand truck. 3. Ocometer Rolling Spinning Prop. The Ocometer range of digital coating thickness gauges has been specifically designed to provide highly accurate, reliable, and repeatable coating thickness measurements on almost any substrate, whether ferrous or non-ferrous. Dry film thickness can be measured on either magnetic steel surfaces or non-magnetic metal surfaces, such as stainless steel or aluminum, using a digital coating thickness gauge. The principle of electromagnetic induction is used for non-magnetic coatings on magnetic substrates such as steel. The eddy current principle is used for non-conductive coatings on non-ferrous metal substrates. 4. Malco Foam Board Stapler. The Malco PWS1 PEX stapler for wood and foam board is the perfect tool for installing in-floor radiant heating. This easy-loading and portable manual stapler includes a magazine feed and operates from a standing position to quickly secure a layout of PEX pipe to a wooden subfloor or foam board base. The stapler head holds the PEX in place as staples are fed, via a non-stick polymer slide to the plunger assembly. The durable, lightweight magazine slide is made of a solid, one-piece engineered polymer that balances the tool by directing the weight over the stapler head. Loading strips of 25 staples are joined together flush with a clean plastic weld to further enhance smooth stapling action. 5. Nexus Portable Power Station. This battery-powered generator has all the power of conventional gas generators and then some, minus the fumes and noise of traditional generators. This Ego 56-volt, 3000-watt Nexus portable power station is perfect if you tailgate or need something to have on hand in case of an emergency. The EGO Nexus power station will power a TV, microwave, and full-sized refrigerator. Plus, it's great for any camping trip.